We understand why you love your Volkswagen. With German engineering and a focus on safety and efficiency that's also fun to drive, what's not to love? If your Volkswagen is ever in a collision, you'll want it restored at a Volkswagen certified collision facility that is committed to quality.
I've had the pleasure of working on Volkswagen for many years now. Their procedures are very thorough and makes a difference whenever we do it by OEM, which you don't see very often in other shops.
Making sure that parts are properly replaced or installed is very important because it eliminates comebacks and quality issues for the customer.
We stand behind our work with a lifetime warranty and a 0% tolerance philosophy for mistakes.
Everyone's committed to quality here. Everybody is like family. We all respect each other and get along, and we work together to ensure the job gets done right.
The biggest thing that we always try to do is that we are trying to give you back your vehicle exactly how it was before the accident.
It has to be a lot of detail. If you don't pay attention to the detail, then we're just any other random shop.
We stand behind our work with Volkswagen-specific training.
These certification programs, the training is so important. It's almost a full-time job for a couple of my staff members to keep up with it and to send people. We're sending people all over the country all the time getting training. It's just a wonderful process when they're out there using modern equipment, certified equipment, following repair procedures. These guys are out here half the day on laptops so they can look up procedures and stuff. That's just the way the industry's gone.
We have certifications for Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, Mini, Mercedes, Tesla, and Subaru.
By repairing only our OEM-specific vehicles, you get a little bit more of a pattern and you see the way the cars are made, because across each brand, most vehicles have their similarities. So it helps with efficiency, it helps with knowing their types of color on their vehicles.
Conveniently located in the Heights of Houston, Metropolitan Collision is Houston's preferred Volkswagen certified collision repair facility.